When working on some of these wiper blades like this here Mazda, what you need to do by taking out the old, you got to pop it out. So what you'll end up doing is opening it, disconnecting it by pushing the button down, and you just slide it out. So this is the old. We're going with Trico blades today. So this is what we're doing. Easy peasy. Got the driver done. I'm gonna do this one now. See if I can get it out of here. It's a little temperamental. All right, so there you go. Push in the piece. And then, so very carefully slide it out. And you're done. So that's that part. So we're gonna get the wiper going now. Slide it in. Done. There you have it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, also we're going to tackle the rear wiper. So imagine it's popped in. You're going to pull out the tabs like so. You're going to slide it off just like so. Then you're going to pull up the wiper blade. You're going to pull it out and bend it so it comes out just like so. So the new one is waiting to go on. We'll bring these back down nice and carefully, and then you've got your blade off. So you're going to put it on just as you took it off. So we're going to put that right there for the time being. So put it back on. Lift the arm up. We take the cap back off. Lift the arm up carefully. Snap it back in. Back. Place back down. Done. Put your cap back on. Voila. Brand spankety new. And that's it for our wiper blade change. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.